welcome to Stef ABtv, and finally the day has come for the European Abarth Day for 2019. Now this year is slightly different because we haven't got a UK Abarth Day. No, you don't have an Abarth Day in any of the other countries. What they've done, FCA have done one Abarth Day here in Milan for everybody to turn up. Now I'm going to show you around what's going on. I can already say I've already been here a while and I've already met so many of you. It's a little overwhelming, so if you're watching this now, thank you so much for coming to say hi. But right, there's so much to show you. Let's start with this. This is funky as hell. This is on air ride. It almost looks like it's actually Nardo grey with some really nice kind of fleckles on it. I do like that a lot. In fact, there are so many cars all the way down there, which is unreal, and that's why I love this event. I mean, already it's insane. Let me show you some more cars. So this is a very, very cool day. Now, if you would have seen the video of me driving the Abarth 695 out on track, you probably know why there's a massive queue of Abarths all trying to get to somewhere. Now they are all going over to the main track, and it looks so cool to see them all here together. If I flip the camera around, you've got the start line here for everybody to go and enjoy themselves on what is pretty much a Gymkhana style circuit. So many people, you can hear them all revving. But yeah, no. You can So yeah, it's awesome, and like I said, I've met so many of you guys here already. It is absolutely incredible, and to have one Abarth Day for the whole of Europe makes complete sense. It gets people together for everything they're passionate about, which is Abarth, and yeah, it's just awesome. We've got the UK guys here who obviously made a road trip all the way down from the UK to Zurich and to Milan. I flew out here because of the press stuff. I would have loved to have done the road trip, but next time. Now, as I said earlier on, there is so much passion, so much love for this brand, and every single car that I've seen, literally every single car has had something done to it. They're modified in their own way, completely unique taste, and it's just incredible to see how much people love this brand. And I mean, you've got a little car, I'll show you quickly, there's a car skidding around there, which is quite funny. I don't know what they've got on the rear tyres, but yeah, 595 doing donuts or something. Very, very cool. But the point that I was trying to make, if you guys can see because of the sun, brilliant. The point I'm trying to make is that regardless of your age, regardless of gender, whatever, people love Abarth. And I bought into this brand because of the character and how passionate everyone is for it. And honestly, it's very difficult to put into words just how amazing this event is to get everybody together. It's incredible. I mean, if I kind of show you just some of the cars, you know, we've got the Max and Style Racing Diffuser. Look how bonkers that is. It's completely nuts. Very, very cool wraps on it. Everything is just superb. This one looks nice. That's completely kind of blacked out. So that's kind of my style spec. Even the xenon headlights are black, but carbon fiber front grills. This 124 looks unreal. Absolutely unreal. The wrap looks sensational, and look at the flipping wing. It's almost like a McLaren Senna wing. It's huge, absolutely huge. But yeah, this is cool. This is obviously from the Abarth Club Switzerland, but I've got a lot of love for the 124, and yeah, they've done a cracking job with this thing. Really, really nice. I love that wrap. If I take you a little bit further on, we've got kind of the matte pista grey Abarths there. We've got a nice punto. I don't see enough puntos, but there are a lot of puntos here, which is good. I'm glad to see that. A very nice Campovola punto with the white Super Sport wheels on it. Over here on my left, one of these guys did the Modball Rally. Amazing. I love seeing these things. I mean, Tanya Roars used to do the Modball Rally in her one, but yeah, it's good to see so many people loving these cars. This is another very cool one. Look at the wrap on this. Kind of like a three-tone camo wrap. And it works well, Red Bull inspired. Like I said, every single person has taken their own car, added their own spin on it, and created something absolutely magical. Absolutely magical. I mean, this is the Monaco Club. Oh man, that looks insane. Look at the graphics. Look at the graphics of this. I mean, how cool is that? Oh my word. That is mental. I love it. And these guys They know how to have fun. Obviously here in Italy, health and safety is quite funny because you've got people walking and you've got cars just driving past you. In the UK that would not be allowed, but here in Italy, anything goes. Now, earlier on, oh, nice Maserati edition over there as well. Now, the UK guys, let me show you the UK guys, of course, because they made the effort to drive all the way down here. You'll see Ben's car here, the Abarth 500 GTO. But look what Ben's done specifically for this trip. He has brought rally-inspired front end to his 500. You can see kind of the rally style fog lights in the front, carbon fiber grille, completely glossed out front grille. That looks wicked. And if you haven't seen a video on Ben's car, I've got one on the channel, so make sure to check out. Very, very cool car. Here we go. There we go. We can get some driving shots of this guy here. These guys here. So I filmed the video on this car already. It's running 350 horsepower and it's got a 4C engine in it. Plus, it's 4-wheel drive. Oh, now this is very nice, guys. You know I have a bit of a love affair with the Romeo Ferraris kit on Abarths. When I drove Dave's one out in Marbella, the 280 horsepower one, the black and orange one, that looks superb. But this, completely in white, looks incredible. I absolutely love this thing. In fact, even the stripes are like a kind of goldy silver stripe. This looks superb. We've got an Assetto Corsa wing on this. Apologies if you can't hear because of the music, but Assetto Corsa style wing here. And what have we got on the back? Kind of center exit exhaust. Man, that looks amazing. That looks so cool, man. In fact, Romeo Ferrari kits just look superb, but on this specific car, all white, I think the owner is winning. What do we think of this one, guys? This looks really cool with the kind of very nice blue wheels. Oh, hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. Who did this first? That was me. But no, kind of mantis green brake calipers. Looks good. What is that noise? It's like a flipping rocket ship. Where is that coming from? Let me check. Who's revving? Is that you guys? Give it a rev. These guys making the noise. Well done, well done. What's going on, guys? So many cars. Love it, love it. Everyone just here enjoying themselves. That is loud. That is proper loud. Loads of guys, the Germany clubs over there. Let me zoom over here quickly. You can see Bertie's car over here. These guys did a very, very long road trip. In fact, let me grab them out here. We've got JT over here as well. Hey, how was the drive down?
Oh mate, absolutely epic.
You enjoy it?
I absolutely loved it. There was a moment of euphoria coming from Zurich.
Yeah.
To meet these guys in the Alps. I think it was the altitude. Let's put it down to the altitude.
Yeah.
I can't believe how many cars.
I know, it's insane, isn't it? From all, in fact, yeah, we've shown you all, but from all clubs as well, which is what makes it amazing. I mean, look, you've got, hey, you've got all of these people here. It's just incredible. Where's your car? Where is it? Oh, here it is. I've completely missed it. But mate, look how good this is. Obviously the Abarth UK Milan Tour decals on the side. And yeah, mate, you've done a... Yeah, oh wow. Yeah, that does look amazing. You've added more camber to it, haven't you? Yes. Yeah. That looks incredible, mate.
Sports Cat has arrived.
Yeah.
Talk Motorsports, thank you very much.
Yeah.
And
and of course,
a rematch.
JT, plug your channel at least. Come on, you've driven all this way.
YouTube.com/JT124. It's JAYTWE124.
Mr. Abarth Owners Club, dude, I was just saying that you guys must have had a fantastic drive down.
We had an amazing drive. It was lovely. The weather was on our side. There was no, it was actually snowing in the Gotthard Pass, right at the very top. But we had sun most of the way up. We went on a really old road. It was amazing, brilliant.
Amazing,
no dramas, no police, just easy sailing the whole way here.
And plenty of good noises.
Brilliant noise, especially in the tunnels.
And how are you finding today?
It's brilliant, it's amazing. The weather is incredible.
Yeah.
It's really, really hot. People are going to be burnt.
Yeah.
I've never seen so many Abarths in my life. It's the noise some of these cars are making as well.
It's ridiculous.
We think in the UK that we're good at modifying cars.
Yeah, no, we know nothing. We actually do not know anything when it comes to modified cars compared to some of these guys.
It's just crazy. I mean, the video that's going to come out on the 4C engine.
Oh, mate.
Four-wheel drive.
Yeah.
I mean, we just never do that in the UK.
No.
Never.
But it's from the Abarth Owners Club, at Abarth Owners Club on Instagram. Make sure to check these guys out.
Thank you.
And of course, for me, what we're all here for in regards to the 695, well, the 695 70th anniversary, but the 695 Biposto still for me is king of everything. Biposto, love this thing, absolutely love it. One of my favourite Abarths, if not my favourite Abarth that's ever been created. And he's been to the Nürburgring, so we like to see. And yeah, this is what I think the new 695 anniversario should have had. He should have had the Akrapovic exhaust and maybe even the carbon diffuser. I think that would have just topped it. But I still think that the new car, the more and more I look at it, the more and more I like it. So yeah, it's just cool to see something new from Abarth. So yeah, and actually, this is a really important point. And I'm going to do an individual video on this because I, for one, have said, actually, this should have been over 200 horsepower. It should have been. But there's a reason behind it, and I'm going to explain why Abarth just can't go over 180 horsepower. And it's quite interesting. And for all of us existing Abarth owners, you'll start to understand, actually, okay, that makes a little bit more sense. But that's for a completely new video. So I've been kind of floating around, filming and meeting so many of you, but I finally reunited with my partner in crime, Mr. Petrolped.
Mate, this Abarth thing is mental.
It's addictive, isn't it?
So I've seen you talk about the Abarth community on your videos and stuff, and I've seen you at meets, but to actually be here, it's incredible.
Yeah.
And amazing. It's not, I mean, I've been to a few mini meets and I'm obviously more of a mini guy, but you guys take it to like a completely another level. It's unbelievable.
I love it, I love it. And it is, isn't it? It's the enthusiasm, the passion that these owners have, and to do things differently, it's just bonkers.
I think I mean, I'm sure you don't get, I don't know, blasé about it, but for me, as a kind of, you know, this is the first time, it's truly amazing.
Yeah.
And the cars, my goodness me, there's some money, the money and love and time and effort that goes into it.
It's unbelievable, and it's just amazing to have, because if this is the first one you've been to, you picked a good one, because to get all of the clubs from across Europe to congregate in one place, it's amazing. I mean, I'm having an incredible time, but
he's being asked for lots of selfies. This morning we had a bet to see how many selfies this guy would have, and so far you're way beyond. We thought maybe 10, 15, you're on at least 30 selfies.
But it is cool, and like I said earlier on, it's just amazing to meet so many of you, so thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It's great to put a kind of face to those who watch our content. It's just nice to kind of feel the appreciation from you guys. But we're off to now drive the 695.
That's going to be tough.
I've just introduced Pete to the world of the Romeo Ferraris Cinquante, and as I said, this thing here in the white looks superb. So what was the exact term you used?
I actually used the word sick for the first time, and as a 47-year-old, that's not a word to use.
How good? Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah, that is unbelievable, man. I love this car. Now I've come to find a little bit of a quiet space just because it's so loud, and the music's quite loud here. Quite deafening actually, but guys, some of the cars and some of the stuff that people have done to their cars here is absolutely superb. I've had such a great time here. In fact, if I'm honest, it's been a little bit overwhelming for me, like really, because I didn't realize how many of you guys watch my content, and like just to meet you guys, it means the world to me, and thank you so much if you guys came to say hello today. Flipping out, I'm getting a bit whew. It's just nice to see that after all of these years of hard work, people kind of, it's nice for me to recognize the content that I create. So thank you everybody. If you took any photos, please tag me. It would be cool to see them. But I think that's going to wrap up today, because we're now going to head back to the airport. We're going to catch a flight back and going to go back to the UK, where the weather definitely is not going to be as sunny as it is here for Abarth Day in Milan. But massive thank you to Abarth UK for inviting me down, as always. I'm going to see you all very soon on the next one. I hope you enjoyed this Abarth content, because it's been a while since you've seen some, but I've had a great time. Thanks for watching.